My name is Cara Ortiz, and I'm a nutrition facilitator with the Lifespan program through the EUP ISD. And we are really excited this summer to be partnering with the Brimley Bay Mills Market to bring you the Farmers Market Food Navigator program. Myself and my co-nutrition facilitator, Catherine Hills, will be food navigators at the farmers market, there to welcome you, guide you through the market, connect you with vendors. We will be bringing recipes, produce tips, nutrition info, all kinds of good stuff. Also, if you want to use your EBT, your Michigan Bridge Card, Pandemic EBT, what else? Senior Project Fresh, WIC coupons. The market accepts all of these. So we will be there to help guide you through the process and make it easy for you to get some great fruits and veggies. All that being said, we will also have recipes at the market, and we wanted to share one of those recipes with you today. If you saw Catherine's interview with the Gordons of Gordon's Produce the other day, Steve Gordon was talking about how they have strawberries in season right now. So we wanted to feature a recipe with some strawberries. This is a recipe from Michigan Harvest of the Month, and it is spinach strawberry salad. Okay, and let's see, let me just show you what I have, what we're working with here. It's really simple, just a few ingredients, not a lot of prep, probably takes like 5 minutes to throw together. I have prepped, I've chopped up a couple of things here. First, of course, I have some great strawberries, and this was a quart of strawberries that I picked up from Jerry's Farms. They're going to be one of the vendors at the market as well. But I just needed a pint of strawberries for the recipe, and so I cut off the tops, chopped them up. Here they are, ready to go. A pint of chopped strawberries. Let's see what else. I have half a cup of vinaigrette dressing here. This is a balsamic vinaigrette, and I've tasted it. It's not very sweet, so I'm going to add a little bit. 2 teaspoons of sugar I'm going to add to it is what the recipe called for. And I'm actually going to go ahead and do that right now, I think, to give that sugar some time to dissolve. So if you can see, I have my dressing here. Just added those 2 teaspoons of sugar. And go ahead and stir it up a little bit. Let that dissolve. All right, good. And I also have a Vidalia onion here. You can use any kind of onion. I used Vidalia because I think they're a little bit sweeter. And I have some onion that I chopped up already. So this is, I don't know if you can see it, this is about half a cup of chopped onion. And it was, probably about half, maybe even less of an onion this size, so not too much. And then, of course, here I have some spinach. The recipe calls for 5 ounces of spinach, which is about the size, I think the recipe calls for 6 ounces of spinach, which is about the size of a bag that you would get, a small bag of spinach at the grocery store or something like that. So I have some of that in here, but I also, you can use any kind of salad greens you want. So I also have some great leaf lettuce that I picked up from Jerry's Farms as well. So I just threw that in too. You can mix it up however you want. Any kind of greens, salad greens will do. So basically we're going to just put everything together now. I'm going to add my chopped onion. Throw that in there. And I'm gonna add my strawberries. Strawberries have a lot of vitamin C, which is really good for immunity, boosting our immune systems, which is something we could all definitely use right now. But also for healing, for tissue growth and repair. Strawberries also have lots of antioxidants, which can protect against diabetes, heart disease, cancer, a lot of good things in strawberries. So I've added them to my greens, and I'm just going to toss them together a little bit more here, mix them up a little bit more. And if you really want to make a meal out of this, you could even add some nuts for protein, or you could add some chicken or a hard-boiled egg. Lots of different ways to mix it up. Okay. Alright, I think it's mixed pretty well there. And now I want to add my dressing. And this was balsamic vinaigrette that I bought at the store. You can use any vinaigrette. You can make your own vinaigrette at home if you want. I think it's about 1 part vinegar to 3 or 4 parts oil. It's easy to mix up yourself if you want. Just adding it to my salad. And then I'm going to toss it together a little bit more to make sure everything gets coated. If you have a bowl with a lid and you want to put everything together in that bowl and then kind of shake it up, that can work really nicely. All right. And there it is. Easy as that. And really delicious. I don't know if maybe you haven't tried strawberries in a green salad, but really, really great. That little bit of sweet flavor with a little bit of sharpness of the onion and then the greens. Really delicious. So I will post the link to this recipe, this Michigan Harvest of the Month recipe, with this video, so you can check it out and make this yourself at home. And I think that's about it. I hope to see you at the farmers market in Brimley Bay Mills on July 30th. All right, thanks.